Hello everyone, are you okay? Okay, so my name is Carlos Yaoub. I'm STEM mentor and instructor. I'm a mechatronics engineer. Now I'm continuing my studies in computer vision and deep learning to find a job in self-driving cars. I hope everyone is okay. So now we're going to share our screen. So the last session, we finished our prerequisites to machine learning like linear algebra, statistics, calculus, and now we're going to dive into the fun part. Are you excited? Great. So, who can tell me what is the difference between humans and machines? Yes, great. So the main difference is humans just learn from their experience. They are not programmed. Yeah. They are just learning from their past experience as a situation they are facing in their daily life. For the machines, they are following the program or the instructions they are given. Yeah, that's right. For example, if I have a program to add two numbers, all the time it's going to add the two numbers. You will not find that it's subtracting two numbers or it's dividing two numbers. Just they are following the instructions. Yeah. So if any one of you has experience in embedded systems or front or back end or whatever classical or traditional programming, do you know what are the inputs and outputs of the program? Just, yeah, I need explanation. Yeah, as you have said, we have a program, the instructions, line one, line two, or instruction one, instruction two, instruction three, and we have the data, like the variables. So as you have said, if I have two variables, x and y, and I have a program, it's going to make the summation of the two variables. What is the output? The summation of x and y. Yeah, so that's easy. But the machine learning is a little bit different. To describe briefly what is machine learning, we are going to make the machine learn from its past experience. We are going to make the machine learn a little bit like humans. So the machine learning model or algorithm has two inputs to make it learn from its past experience or from the data we're going to feed into it. We have the program, how we are going to make the machine learning model learn, and the output. For example, I wanted to classify between dogs and cats. So I'm going to feed it the output. That is a dog and that is a cat. Another picture, that is a dog, that is a cat. So that's the output. And finally, I have a program. So that program is going to predict for us if I feed it a new image of a dog or a cat, it's going to tell me, is it a dog or a cat, right? So till now, everything's clear? Great. So to understand the field more clearly, we have artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Artificial intelligence is basically any program that is making the life of humans more easier. Any program. It's not just machine learning or it's just any field that makes the human life more easier. Like the calculator, any program. Okay. And the machine learning, we have said that we are making the machine or the robot to learn from its past experience like humans. And the deep learning, we're going to talk about it later, but it's an algorithm based on the brain structure called an artificial neural network. We're going to talk about it later. So till now, is anything is not clear? Great. So now the basic element of machine learning, we have features and label data. So what is features and what label data? For example, as we have said, I wanted to learn to make differentiation between the cars and the bicycles. So what are the features of the car? Yes. Who can tell me? Yes. What makes the car different from other objects? It has, yes, you're right. It has 4 wheels and 4 doors, but the bicycle or the bike has 2 wheels and 1 chair. So that's the features. But what is the label data? It is the answer. I want the machine learning to tell me when I feed it a new data. But what it's going to learn, yeah, if it sees number of wheels 4 and number of doors 4, so it's a car. But if it sees number of wheels 2, number of chairs 1, it's a bike. So what are the applications of machine learning? It's about classification and regression. Classification, it's telling you whether the email is a spam or not. The house prediction, it's about feeding data to the model like the house or the house photo, the location of the house, is it beside the sea or not? And based on these features, I'm going to tell you the price of this house. So that was a brief introduction to machine learning. I hope you like it. If you have any question, don't hesitate to contact me. So see you later.